how's it going? Hopefully everyone's feeling well. Welcome back to D.I.Y Conspiracy. Yes, I know I'm a day late. That's because my phone is sort of in commission right now, which means it's sort of not working, so we got to get it fixed. Not saying that anything is wrong with the Samsung Galaxy S4, but I guess mine just isn't my bae anymore. But anyways, hopefully everyone's feeling well. I'm super excited right now because I'm going to be showing you a really safe way in order for you to download skin packs. Skin packs are pretty popular because nowadays a lot of people want to change up their computers, whether it be changing it to Mac or changing it to a totally new released version of their computer, like Windows 10, for example. Now, these skin packs do not affect the actual brand of the computer. So let's say you were running Windows and then you got a Mac theme. It wouldn't change it to Mac, so you wouldn't get like the actual app store wouldn't recognize your computer as a Mac. It's basically like putting a launcher on your phone. You're just putting a launcher on your computer. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video because I really am enjoying making it. I'm so glad I'm back because I sort of pre-recorded my last 2 videos, so I didn't really get to talk to you guys, so hi. What you're going to want to do is go to skinpacks.com. Skinpacks.com is where you can customize either your Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 computers. I'm not sure if it works for Windows XP, but I'm definitely sure you guys could dig around in the website because they are pretty compatible. They don't work with Mac. This is just the beauty of having a Windows computer, why I love it so much. But once upon a time, I did have a phase where I loved Mac, hence my Mac cursor, which you guys have probably already seen. But, I had a phase where I just loved Mac. So they do have a Mac, as you might theme. But we're not focusing on that today. We're going to be focusing on Windows 10 skin pack. This is relatable for every single one of the packs that they have. So as you can see, there's the skin pack for the Mac. It looks pretty clean. I have used it. It's really great. It comes with everything Mac-y. So let's continue on with the video. Like I said, doesn't change the model. First thing you're going to want to do is, if you have an antivirus system, you're going to turn it off. So I have Avast. We're going to go to my Avast Shield Control, and we're going to disable it for 1 hour. We're going to say, yes, we want to disable it, and you know it's disabled when it says, you are unprotected, which is okay. I have tried this out. There's no such thing as viruses on this website. Fully verified, fully legal, so feel free to do it. We are going to be downloading the Windows 10 Skin Pack 3.0 for, again, Windows 7, 8, and 8.1. These are the only ones it is compatible for. So if you're watching this on an XP computer, I'm so sorry, but you cannot download the skin. So since I have a Windows 7, I'm able to download it. If you're interested in it, you're going to want to click Continue Reading, and it will load up. Once you've done that, you can choose from looking at a whole bunch of pictures of it. As you can see, here's a picture here, which you can take a look at. There's another bunch of pictures here, and they're also very thorough. They won't hide anything from you. So here's an example. Here's a picture. I think it looks really cool, actually. It's really funky, and it's great if you want to change up the look of your computer. If you're getting a little bored with it, look at that. That's actually really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get back to this. Click Visit Download Page, and it will either redirect you to a different website, or they have download pages within their website. So here we go. We are now at the download page. If you click that down arrow or simply scroll down all the way, you're going to see a whole bunch of download nows, but those aren't real download nows. In order for you to know, you can simply hover your cursor over it, and it will say some random thing like x.ixtv. You don't want to know about TVs. You don't want no TV, so that's not for you. You're going to want to look for the silver one, but if you can't find it, simply hover over them and look in a little box that shows you the directory that'll be taking you to. It says downloadpack.net, skin pack, Windows 10, skin pack _ Windows 10 _ version 3.0 zip. And that's what you're going to want to download. So click download. Once you do that, it will start downloading, and since your antivirus is off, it will not mess up your plans. So I'll get back to you after I'm finished downloading the file. Once you have the skin pack file, it'll look a little something like this. You're going to need either WinRAR or 7-zip in order to extract it. Right click, click extract files. Once you do that, you're going to want to click OK, and it'll extract it. Once you do that, you'll get a little folder under the same name. Double click on the folder to see all the goodies inside, and you have an application. You're going to want to double click on this application that was created on the 21st of January 2015. So basically fresh off the oven. It was only created when I filmed this about 8 days ago. So in order to apply it, you're simply going to want to double click. I'm going to tell you a couple of fun facts about themes on Windows. So you know that Windows supports themes because once you go to your personalization settings, you see a whole bunch of little packs and you can create them. So it's like a bunch of wallpapers with a bunch of sounds. Those are called themes, and you can download other themes and it will appear in those little trays. Let me see if I am able to show you. Right click, personalize, and then click a theme, as you can see. So I've had a Windows 8 theme on here, Snow Leopard theme on it, and now I'm installing this theme. So click next to continue, click agree. I always read because sometimes I want to sneak in those little ad things, like right here. Priceless plugin will reduce your cost minimum. Of course, they're going to blank out back, but you can click that to show, or decline, you can click that little space thingy. These are basically ads on how they get paid. So how you basically get paid is if you click next, they pay them for you downloading it, and sometimes those downloads can't get off. So are you looking for a fast? No, I'm not. So I'm going to click that blank space thing. I'm going to take off this update thing. I'm going to click decline, quote unquote. You're going to want to look at all the stuff that they're installing, and if you agree, if they don't sneak in like uTorrent 1000, you're going to want to uncheck it if you don't want it. So the only space required is about 101.7 megabytes. Let's click install. Okie dokie, so here is the final theme. I'm actually really excited to take a look. It was at this point in the video where my audio got all really slow. So here are some final remarks on the Windows 10 theme for Windows 7, 8, and 8.1 users. Overall, it looked exactly like the picture, which I was very satisfied about, and it had a few lags, but that was probably due to the fact that I was recording my screen at the time. It changes the Windows or the X, minimize, or maximize screen button theme. The icons on my desktop changed, for example, my recycling bins and my folders. Also with it came something that they called the Metro sidebar, which was basically the Windows 8 menu on your side for Windows 7 users. So a smaller version of your Windows 8 menu, and this will be different for my Windows 7 users. You may be looking at that white box on the top left. It was just some text here. Your start menu is a bit changed, but nothing too drastic. It is sort of Windows 8-ish. Overall, I really enjoyed showing you guys how to apply themes which are free, legal, and supported by Microsoft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions or concerns, tell me in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like it and then subscribe. And also head back to my channel and look at some other DIY conspiracy videos that I've made in the past.